How is the human body organized from smallest to largest? Imagine building a complex machine, starting with tiny pieces and working up to the entire structure. That's how our bodies are organized, from the tiniest parts to the whole person. It all begins with atoms, which are the smallest units of matter. Think of atoms as tiny building blocks like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These elements are essential for life and make up everything in your body. Next, atoms combine to form molecules. Molecules are groups of atoms bonded together, like water, which has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids are also molecules that build the foundation of cells. Within cells, molecules gather into specialized structures called organelles. These tiny organs inside cells perform specific jobs. For example, the nucleus holds DNA, mitochondria produce energy, and ribosomes make proteins. Cells are the smallest living units in the body. Each cell can carry out all the basic life processes on its own. There are different types of cells, like muscle cells for movement, nerve cells for sending signals, and blood cells for transporting substances. Cells group together to form tissues. Tissues are collections of similar cells working together to do a particular job. The four main tissue types are epithelial tissue for covering and protection, connective tissue for support, muscle tissue for movement, and nervous tissue for control and communication. Tissues combine to create organs, which are structures made of two or more tissue types. For example, the heart has muscle tissue to pump blood, connective tissue for support, and nervous tissue to control its rhythm. Organs work together in organ systems. These systems include the cardiovascular system with the heart and blood vessels, the respiratory system with the lungs and airways, the digestive system with the stomach and intestines, and the nervous system with the brain and spinal cord. Finally, all these systems come together to form the entire human organism. This is the complete person, where every part works in harmony to keep you alive and healthy. Understanding how the body is organized from atoms to the whole person helps us see how each part depends on the others. If something goes wrong at a tiny level, it can affect the entire body. This structure makes it easier to learn about health, diseases, and how treatments work. So, from the smallest atom to the entire human being, the body's organization follows a clear path. Atoms, molecules, organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, and finally, the whole person.